Good morning. This is Shell Public School, and today I am showing you Computer Networking Chapter 1 Basic Concept of Network, that is Class 12 Chapter 1. And tomorrow in before class we will discuss about the computer networking, that is Chapter 1, and we will discuss about in previous class, that is define what is computer network and list of benefits of network, and list some uh, different wired and wireless networks are there. Okay, so today we will discuss about the identify different network devices also, and identify the types of network on the basis of area covered. Okay, in previous class also we have to discuss about the cables, twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, many more. So today I will present you a presentation about the computer networks or network hardware, the concept of networking. Okay, so let's go to the slide. Okay, that is hearable and visible to you, I am sure. So listen carefully the definition first. We will revise our previous class today also. A computer network is defined as the interconnection of two or more computers. Interconnection, that means those are connected with each other. Okay, and it is done to enable the computers to communicate and share available resources, that means their application and their hardwares. Okay, so what type of applications? Sharing of resources such as printer, that is hardware device, sharing of expensive softwares and databases, and communication from one computer to another with the help of web or some data files, exchange of data and information among users via network. Okay, and sharing of information over geographical wide areas. That is clear, and we will discuss about the computer network definition with the help of wire and wireless signals. You will understand it carefully. Okay, so next slide, that is the use of computer network. What is the use of computer network in your daily life? Some business application, online buying, purchasing, and pay amount to another one. Okay, and home application, that is email, mail, or chatting, or some surfing or browsing you have to use on your network. Mobile users use the wireless laptops, PDS, that is palm tops. Okay, and mobile and in a plane also. Social issues, social media you have to use also. Okay, the use of computer network, that is sharing information, that is the main purpose of network, that is the main use of computer network, that is data communication. Okay, do you prefer this? Some the floppy disk and your front, and number of computers too. Our computers are there, that is the picture, and floppy disk is a device that we can share resource one computer to another. Or this any other option is that you have to use a LAN cable, and computer are connected with the single LAN cable, a single bus with the CPU, and number of computers are connected with 3. Okay, without a CPU number of computers are 3. So that is the resource sharing with the help of network. Those are the option to share information. First, that is you have to use a removable device, that is pen drive, flash drive, hard disk, or SD cards, or many more. And another one is a network. You can share information to one computer to another computer. Okay, sharing hardware of software, that is printer. Print a document from one computer to another one. Those are having a printer or a scanner or any other devices we are shared with other. Okay, centralized administration and support. A centralized administration and support provided by a main server, and you can connect with the main server to another one. Okay, some components of computer networks are there. There are two or more computers. Cables are links between computers. We can minimum having two or more computers, and cables as link between the computers. that is a wired signal, and a network interface card, that is known as NIC card. NIC, that means network interface card. Write down in your notebook, NIC card on each computer. And switches those are used to connect with computer to NIC card. And software called operating system, that is system software. We will discuss about the system software in the previous class, class 11, that is the components of computer, that is software and hardware. In a software we will discuss about the OS, that is operating system, Unix, Linux, Windows, and many more. Okay. Network benefits, number of benefits are there, that is sharing and connectivity with the one computer to another. Okay, the network provided to user can be divided into number of two categories, that is sharing and connectivity. And types of resources we have to share with the computer, hardware and software, that is allows us to share many hardware devices such as printers, modems. Those are network devices, conversion with using conversion of signals, analog to digital and digital to analog, that is fax machine also, CD-ROM, players, printer, scanner, microphone, and some storage devices. And software, that means you have to reduce cost of software installation, saves space on a hard disk also. Number of software you can buy a legal and copyrighted, and you can share a single software to two or more computers with the help of network. So, okay. So benefits of computer networks are increased speed, reduced cost, provided security, and centralized software management. Electronic mail, that is email, you can use every day in your life. Flexible access also. And disadvantage, high cost of installation of network in each computer, requires time for administration, and failure of server is a major fault of the networking, and cable faults. So those are the faults are included in a, that is disadvantages of network. You can need to maintain the server failures, you can need to maintain the cable faults also. So more types of networks are there, that is PAN, personal area network. Okay, LAN, WAN, and MAN. We will discuss about those type of network in the in this class. That is a local area network, wide area network, and many more. We will discuss in this one by one in this class. Okay, first is a local area network. Okay, what about local area network? That is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area, such as an office, in a room, in a computer lab, or a factory, in an organization, or a building, group of buildings also. So that is local area network surrounding between approx 1 to 2 kilometer. The LAN is you can used, and LAN are easily to design and troubleshoot by the network administrators and person those are using. And exchange of information and sharing of resources becomes easy because of LAN. Okay, in a LAN all machines are connected to a single cable. Okay. And different types of topologies we can use, that is star, tree, bus, ring, etc. can be used. We can discuss number of topologies in a previous class. Also we will discuss in this class topologies, what type of topologies and their advantages and disadvantages. Okay. So it is usually a privately owned network, that is local area network. Okay. Also, you know, the local area network is called as intranet, INTERANET, intranet. You can see, and you can know, you are knowing about the internet, that is intranet. Okay, so local area network is also known as intranet, a local area network. Okay. Next is wide area network. A simple example of wide area network, that is WWW, World Wide Web. Internet is an example of wide area network. So when network spans over a larger distance, or when the computers to be connected to each other are at widely separated location, a local area network cannot be used. Okay, a wide area network is installed. Okay, the communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines. You know very well, the whole world are connected with the analog signals. Analog signal, that is telephone line. Okay. And in physics you are read about you have to read about signals, analog and digital signals are there, transmission media, है ना. In a transmission media, the analog signal, that is known as radio waves, and whole world are connected with the radio waves, that is analog signal. And a computer system are used with the digital signal, that is computer language, that is 0 1, that is known as bits. Okay. So the communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines and satellite links. Those are wireless signals, analog signals, and similar channels are there. It is cheapest and more efficient to use the phone network for a link. Okay. And most WAN network are used to transfer large blocks of data between its users. Okay. So you can use wide area network with the help of some telephone connection, with the help of some leased line connections, with the help of some broadband connection, and using some network devices like modem. And you can use the intranet facility, that is WWW, wide area network. Personal area network, that is known as, you can use personal assistant, that is Bluetooth connection with your phone, some connection in your computer lab. A personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. Okay. It is generally consists of mobile computer and a cell phone or a personal data assistant, that is PAN enables the communication among these devices. You can connect your phone with the laptop or computer also, that is personal area network. Campus area network, that is known as also LAN, that is a type of LAN. In a campus, in an organization, you can use some switches, devices, that is router, that is hubs, and transmission media, that is known as optical fiber, etc. You can use so many network devices you can use to connect one lab to another building to another building, that is campus area network. And next one is very important, metropolitan area network, that is a range between 50 kilometer of a city, in a city or in a village, in an area. It is between LAN or WAN technology, that is covers entire city, and it use similar technology as LAN. Okay. It can be single network such as a cable TV network, or a measure of connecting a number of LAN. An example, large network, so that resource can be shared LAN to LAN as well as device to device, that is known as network of network, known as internet. Okay. So clear all the type of network. I am sure you have to understand carefully with these pictures. Okay. The local area network in a room, in an area, the personal area network with your electronic devices, a wide area network, whole world you can cover. A campus area network, you can connect organization, one organization to another. A metropolitan area network, that is connected with the city or the area of city. Okay. So next is distance between LAN, WAN or MAN. Pause the screen and read carefully on the your notebook some parameters: ownership of network, geographical areas covered, design and maintenance, communication medium, bandwidth, that means low, high or moderate, and data speed, high, low or moderate. So create a chart and prepare in your notebook. Pause the screen, write down in your notebook. Thank you. So network classification by their components, component role are there. Local area network, that is peer-to-peer connection, and client server architecture. We can see that what is peer-to-peer network and client server. Peer-to-peer, that means source to source, and a client server, that is a connection between a server and number of clients are there. Okay. So in peer-to-peer network, each computer is responsible for the making its own resources available to other computers on the network. Pause the screen, read it. Peer-to-peer connection, that is very important. A question is made, what is peer-to-peer or a client server architecture. Write down on your notebook. Okay. So next is some advantages of peer-to-peer network, that is server based or P2P networks are there. Some topologies, you can see a line between the computer, those are connection and topologies, the rule. Okay. And client server architecture, you can note down this in your notebook. Some advantages. Types of servers are there: file server, print server, application server, message server, database server. You can use most of the servers are there. So we can switch our main topic, that is transmission media. We can discuss in a next previous class. That's a transmission media. Two types of main categories are there: wires and wire cables and unguided, unguided. Wires and cables, wireless transmission, that is radio, microwave, infrared and sound sonar. So we'll concentrate on a guided media here, that is twisted pair cables. What are the types of twisted cable? That is UTP and STP, that is shielded or unshielded. So shielded, that means covered, and unshielded, that means not covered. That is twisted pair you can use in your home also, that is the round by different one or two. Red or green color, blue or red color, or red or black color. Those are twisted pair cables you can use in your home. So those are the cables paired make a LAN cable, that is a color combination we can see in a video. Next is coaxial cable, next is fiber cable. That is twisted pair cable. That is a twisted unshielded. Number of twisted pair cables, you can see the blue, white, red color combination is not there. Like you can see blue or white, orange or white, green or white, brown or white. That is the color combination you can use in a twisted pair cable. Number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twisted pair cables are there. That is insulator and metal copper wire are there, and metallic plastic cover jacket, that is unshielded. And next is a shielded twisted pair cable. Metal shield are there and plastic cover, that is the jacket and insulation. Then next is the copper wire. You can see coaxial cable, that is speed frequencies that 100 kilohertz to 500 megahertz. And then unshielded twisted cables are inbuilt. Outer metallic and wrapping server, both the shield against the noise, and the second conductor that completes the circuit also. That is inner conductor, insulators are there, and some outer conductor and plastic covers are there. You can see the example of the cable you can use for the cable TV or disc TV or antenna TV, that is known as coaxial cable. Fiber optic cable, that is the transmission media, very high speed. Light slows down in the denser media, that is with the help of glass, and reflection are there. Refraction occurs at entrance with light bending away from the normal when it enters a less dense medium. So that is a critical angle, and that is first angle. Most of the angle between those arrows, and right data reflection, light reflection are there, moves with the fiber optic cable fast with the transmission media. Next is fiber optical cables. About fiber optical cables, you can pause the screen, write down on in your notebook. So we can discuss topology in our next class. So that is a chapter, and we will revise the transmission media briefly, network briefly, and that is your revision about cables. You can write down each and every note with the help of pause the screen of your smartphone, your laptop or a desktop or your electronic device, and write down in your notebook.